Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to our review. This time, let us review or test our stock knowledge on the Chiang Mai or the penetrating vessel. Number one, the Chiang Mai is commonly known as the. What is your answer?
Blood.
Sea of blood.
Blood. Good. Another name for Chiang Mai.
Penetrating
Penetrating
vessel.
vessel.
Penetrating vessel.
The Chiang Mai originates primarily between the
Kidney.
kidneys.
Kidneys.
Nadulog na yung gano'n namin, grade
Wait
ko.
lang, medyo maingay yung iba.
Diba may sarangan?
Okay. The Chiang Mai is closely associated with
Blood and gene.
blood and gene. Which extraordinary vessel is called the Sea of the 12 Channels?
Chiang Mai.
Okay.
Domai.
Chiang Mai has two titles, no? The Sea of Blood and the Sea of 12 Channels. The opening point of the Chiang Mai.
Lane 4.
Very good. A coupled point of Chiang Mai.
PC6.
Great. Chiang Mai strongly influences what?
Blood circulation.
Of course, kasi Sea of Blood nga eh, no? So,
Yes.
which organ system is most connected with Chiang Mai?
Kidney.
Okay, galing. Chiang Mai has a strong effect on
Fertility.
fertility. Okay. Which condition is commonly treated with Chiang Mai?
Dysmenorrhea.
Dysmenorrhea. The Chiang Mai passes through the
Abdomen and chest.
galing. Rebellious Chong Chi commonly causes
Letter B.
Nausea.
nausea. Yeah. Which emotional issue is associated with Chiang Mai imbalance?
Anxiety.
Anxiety, doc.
Okay, wait lang. Minumute ko lang yung iba maingay. Okay, what's the answer? Yeah, anxiety. Yeah.
Anxiety, doc.
Actually, I have a patient. I've been seeing her for more than 3 years now. She would never fail to come twice a month. So, kumikita. Kasi when I started using this, the Chiang Mai, talaga ang grabe yung improvement. And the symptoms that we have learned are associated with Chiang Mai imbalance, yun talaga siya meron. She's 37, mother of 2, very slim. Yun. And so far, ang bilis ng improvement. Pero ayaw niyang tumigil kasi feeling niya magkaka-anxiety siya ulit pag tinigil niya yung twice a month treatment. O, di ba?
Anxiety pa rin.
Yeah, for anxiety. Actually, meron din siyang GERD and dizziness, nausea, no? So yun. The Chiang Mai helps connect.
Qing and blood.
Yeah, Qing, Qi, and blood. The Chiang Mai influences.
Menstruation.
And she was telling me, she's only 37. Alam mo naman natin ang tumitigil ang mens at 49. Sabi niya, lately daw, parang maliliit na lang yung mens niya. So, scanty menstruation. When I look at the tongue, it's like liver blood deficiency. Now, I cannot really make her, stop coming because meron siyang restaurant together with the husband. They have actually 3 branches. So, that's it. Kulang tulog, maraming tao, and yun. Number 17, the Chong Channel begins where?
Lower dantian.
Lower dantian. Which vessel is created as the Chong flows up the front of the body?
Ren.
Renmai. Remember, nasa lips sila pumupunta, di ba? Chong Renmai. Okay. Which vessel is created as the Chong flows up the back?
Do.
Dumay.
Wow. Sa front, Renmai. Sa
Dumay.
likod, Dumay. Chiang Mai is most active when?
Dumay.
In the early life.
Early life
Early life
development.
development. The Chung channel connects the kidneys and the
The heart.
wow.
Heart.
Yes. Kaya nagkakaroon ng anxiety, no?
Fire and water.
Yeah. And that patient of mine, she always, ano siya, may pagka-perfectionist. She worries too much. And, you know, which substance is transformed into the Chong channel?
Blood.
King.
Jing.
Jing, yes. Chi Chong is the name of,
Stomach 30.
yeah, napaka-importante nito for Chong Mai. Stomach 30 strongly influences what?
Vision only.
No, prenatal and
Prenatal.
Prenatal
Suppose
and
na
post.
sa time.
Mali. Okay. Number 25. The Chong Mai is especially important in.
Gynecology.
Gynecology.
Aging.
Wow. Thank you so much. Ay, meron pa pala. Okay, mahaba pala to. A Chong pulse is commonly,
Deep and full.
yeah, deep and full. Totoo. Which symptom may occur with rebellious Chong Chi?
Lump in throat.
Lump in the throat. Chong Mai terminates internally where?
Big
Big
toe.
two.
Oh.
Yeah, big toe. Which point is a major fertility and conception point?
Kidney 12.
Kaya kanina ninidal ko talaga kidney 12, although ayaw nila magkaanak pa. And after 2 kids. No?
Wow.
Okay. Uy, medyo ano na siya because her last pregnancy was very traumatic during the pandemic. So medyo ayaw muna niyang mga anak.
No trauma.
Papaanak. Okay. So the point is kidney 12. You know where is it?
Yes.
Okay. Sino yung ano mo, landmark mo dyan? That's 0.5 soon from the Renmai, right? Ang tanong, alin doon? Tagal? Okay. Sige. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Huyin is
In one.
Ren 1. Favorite ito ni Sir Mark, no? Ren 1 is the meeting point of
Chong and Do channel.
Chong and
So,
Du.
I do channel.
Okay. Yin Jiao is
Rin
Red 7.
warm and moist. Ren 7 is a major point for stimulating what?
Lower
Lower
Danshan.
Danshan.
Lower Dantian. Chong Mai strongly supports
Prenatal
And postnatal chi.
which extraordinary vessel is also created by the Chong wrapping around the waist.
Taimai.
Yeah, Taimai. So tatlo yung kinikreate niya. Tumai sa likod, Renmai sa front, and Taimai around the waist. The Chong Mai treats
Infertility.
infertility. Which symptom is associated with rebellious lung qi from Chong imbalance?
Dyspnea.
Dyspnea. Which point pair opens and regulates the Chong Mai?
String 4, PC6.
Very good. Chong Mai influences which anatomical structure?
Uterus.
Of course. Which symptom may indicate deep Chong imbalance?
Emotional
Instability.
Chong Mai helps distribute
Constitutional
Energy.
which point is level with Ren 4 and influences fertility?
Kidney
Kidney
13.
13.
Yeah. Chong Mai is deeply connected with
Trauma and identity issues.
trauma and identity issues. Which channel relationship reflects Jing seeking Shan?
Kidney
Kidney
harm.
and heart
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 connection.
connection.
Yeah. The Chiang Mai can treat.
Amenorrhea.
Yes. Yung pathway
Amenorrhea,
ascends through the
throat and face.
Throat and face.
which extraordinary vessels are created through the Chong pathway in the legs.
Yin and yang. Yao Mai.
Wow.
Chong.
Yang Chao Mai. Which point is called Dark Gate?
Third gate, kidney 21.
21.
Kidney 21. Chong Mai pathology may include.
Heat in the
Heat
face
in the
with cold
face
feet.
and cold
Yeah, this
feet.
is true. Actually, makikita mo pula yung mukha niya pero yung paa niya ang lamig. O, di ba? The Chong Mai is especially useful when symptoms involve
Multiple body
system
systems simultaneously.
simultaneously.
wow, congratulations everyone. See you again next week. Wait lang.